welcome back to my channel. So today is sinking funds and cash envelopes day, and I'm very excited. This is my second time trying to record this, but I kind of made a mess and was writing the stuff in the wrong area, so I had to white everything out because I was messing myself up. But that's okay. We are going to start in order. I was kind of just picking up the envelopes and trying to write it down, and I kind of made a mess of it. So first off, welcome back to my channel, as I stated a while ago. If you are new, please hit the subscribe button and join me on my debt-free journey. Unfortunately, we have not started off paying any debt. We have to the end of this January to start paying one of the debts that I owe completely. So hopefully next week I'll be able to make that announcement. I will link some videos up top for you guys to watch and see what my how my journey is to be debt free and what are the steps that I'm taking. But as of right now, we are doing sinking funds and cash envelopes. So I'm going to start with my cash envelopes, and then we'll get to my sinking funds here. So my cash envelopes, my husband has received his $40 already for his allowance. It was $20, and I budgeted. If you want to check out yesterday's video, or check out the video, yesterday's video for budgeting. I only budgeted us $20 each, but I think I'm gonna up that to $40 because he asked for $40 this week, and $20 just really wasn't doing it for us. So I was starting us out kind of very low, and it really wasn't working. So anyways, that's another video. So I gave him his $40. I am going to take my $40, and we already put $40 aside for gas. It usually does last us till Sunday, but I took an extra trip today to town, to be honest, to town, and so we kind of needed gas today. We do have $6 left over in that. I have that in my cash envelope that is in the car. I try not to take that cash envelope anywhere else, out or down, so that the rest of the $6 that was left over from the $40 after filling it up today will stay in the car. And then we have $120 for groceries, so that is 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, and 20. That is going to be for our groceries, and that's what I'll put that in the cash envelope because I have that in my purse. So next we're going to do these sinking funds, and I am going to start in order. So the first, because this is how I messed up on the first take. So the first one is car maintenance. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and put them in order. So we have car maintenance, we have house maintenance, we have our tags, birthday. Let's see, what's birthday? Birthdays, clothes, our lawnmower that we're trying to get, and I'll link up here my sinking funds and how I set them up and why I set them up, and which ones I do have. Insurance, Christmas, I missed one, heat. I got nails, and heat goes after birthdays, so heat goes here. Okay. I think I'm gonna do Etsy as well as the cash envelope, but we'll see what we have left over. I went to the bank today, and I kind of gave I didn't take the sticky note that I normally take, and I was trying to remember everything that I normally do, and hopefully I have enough to take out. Hopefully I took out enough. Hopefully I did. If not, then I guess I just have to take another run to the bank, but we will see. So we're gonna start with car maintenance. We should have $30 in here, and we are going to be adding 10, which is here. So the way I have this set up, those of you who, if this is your first video off my channel, I kind of messed up the layout here. I am new to all this budgeting and planning and whatnot, so this is kind of messed up. In February, I do plan on doing it a little bit better, but I'm just making it work with what I got so far. So this was pretty much the first and second week, which it shouldn't have been. So I had to go in and put the rest of the remaining of the month of January in here this way. So I have $30, which is here in my sinking fund. I'm going to add $10, or here, we can start here, $10, and that'll give me this total. So that would be $40. So that's 10, and that will give me 40. So we're going to put that aside. I'm just gonna move this down here out of the way so we can have some writing, because like I said, I was trying to do it out of order. Some of these numbers may be, oh shoot, may be correct from my attempt to do it a while ago, and some of them might not be. I don't know what's going on with this whiteout. It's usually really good whiteout. Maybe I was pressing too hard just now. Next is house maintenance. We should have $39, and that's 10, 20, 25, oh, 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Okay, and we are going to be adding 13. So that's 5, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Okay, and that's what we got there. I think I got too many 5s this time, because it seems like I have a lot of 5s as opposed to 10s. But, you know, it's okay. We'll make do. We will make, oh, it will be just fine. It will be just fine. So now we should have a total of 52. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 55, 56, 57, 50, 51, 52. So we should have 52. Just make sure that's good. Okay. So that is that. Next we have our tags, which should have 24, and we will be adding 8. So that's 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 24. And we are going to be adding 8. So that's 5, 1, 2, and 3. So that would leave 32, I do believe, my dear friends. 30, oh Lord, 32 indeed. So that's 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, and 32. All right, I'll probably be taking some money out of this one soon, because next week, one of my card tags are due. Next is birthday, and we should have 30. And we are going to be adding 10, which would make that 40. Okay, so let's add 10, 40. Next is heating, and it should have 33. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23. And we will be adding, oh, 33. No, is it birthday? Did I close? Clothes is next. You see, this is how I messed up the first time. Clothes should also have 30. Okay, 30. And we will be adding 10. Clothes. Make sure I'm in the right spot. Clothes, and that'll be 40 as well. Okay. See? You see what I'm talking about, guys? You see what I'm talking about? I messed up the first time like that. Alright, so now we are on heat, and it should have 33. That's 20, 30, 1, 2, and 3. And for our heat, we'll be adding 11. So that should be 44. So that's 1, 10, 11. So that's 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So that is 44. So now for a lawnmower, this is what I really messed up at on the other one. We should have 187.50, and there's a 50 cents in there. And we are going to be at, well, let's see, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And 50, and we're going to be adding 62.50. So let's see what that is. So 187.50. Look, 187. 50 plus 62.50. It's 250. Okay, so we're gonna add 20, 40, 60. Oh Lord, 62. and 50, but I'm just gonna take these out that are in here. No. And I'm just gonna set this to the side and just add another $1 to it. So let's do this. And we should have 250, 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Perfect. 250 for a lawnmower. That's the biggest one, as you guys can see. So that's why I was all over the place a while ago. And this is our insurance. We should have $112.50, and we also have 50 cents in here that I'll probably be taking $1 out for. That's 20, 40, 60, 70, no, lower. 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And this one we're going to be adding $37.50 to that. So let's see. $112.50 plus $37.50, which would be $150. So I'm going to take these out. I do have the 2 quarter, the 50 cents to put in, but I'm going to take this out and just put in $1. And then I'm going to do the 30, 35, 36, 37, and then the $1 was for the change. So let's see what we got here. So there's this. Let's put it all together so we can count it up. So that should leave us a total of, hold on one second, let me get all this together. That should give us $150. I believe that's what I said a while ago. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 67, 50. Why do I have $5 over? Make sure I did that right. That's 112.50 plus 37.50. I know I put in another $1. Let's count it again. Maybe I put in one too many fives just now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I must have put in an extra 5 by accident just now for whatever reason. So my apologies, guys. I'm just gonna take the ones out. Yeah, I'm just gonna take the ones out. The extra ones that were in there. Okay, let's try it again. 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45, 67, 48, 49, 50. Okay. Yeah, because I had 2, and then I added 2, and 1, I don't know what happened just now. But it's in there now. So that's 150. Christmas, we had 39. And we are going to be adding 13. Oh, where did all that come out? That's 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to be adding 13. So it's 3, 10. Okay, I probably should take some of these out. Maybe I'll make I got a 20 over here. Maybe I'll just put a 20 in. 10, 20. Okay, Christmas, and we're adding 13. I think that's 34. I don't know. Not 34. 52. Yes. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 47, 48, 49, 50, 52. So I think I'm going to take a 20. Put a 20 in and take 2 10s. And let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take these ones and then put this 10. Let's see if that's right. It should be 52. 20, 30, 40, 50, and 2. Okay, so that's Christmas. And my nails, I've been kind of just randomly putting money in here. But I think I'm just going to do $10 a week. I should have 37, which at 10, 20, 30, 5, 6, 7, 37. I think I'm just going to add 10 to make that 47. I'm not going to use the whole 47, of course, but just you never know if I want to get a design or something. I usually just do plain nails. So that seems like I have some extra ones and all of that around here for whatever reason. I didn't take my sticky note with me, so that's probably why I have so much extra as far as change and whatnot, but that's okay. I'm just gonna probably deposit that back into the bank. But we have successfully done all of our cash envelopes, all of our sinking fund money, and then I'm going to just put, let's see, 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, what was that, 30, 20, 30, 41, this is $41. I am going to probably put back in the bank. It's probably be the best thing for us to do. So let's see what we're at, because I haven't really, I know we're at 350 here, but I haven't added up here and here. So let's see where we're at. We have 40 plus 52 plus 32 plus 40 plus 40 plus 44 plus 250 plus 150 plus 52 plus 47. So right now we have $747 in our sinking funds. That sounds pretty good to me. Like I said, well, that sounds really good to me. I think I'm gonna leave it at that. And that's all we got time for today, folks. Thank you for spending a moment of your life with me. Until the next video, guys. Bye.